Hello my friends, this is WE.LOCK Smart Lock. Today I'd like to introduce you how to restore the factory setting, to restore the EX factory setting for this model PC+B. Generally speaking, you should press 6 after entering setting mode to clear all the data you set. To restore the factory EX factory setting means the original password is 123456. Now let's have a try. Activate confirmation, admin password, confirmation, then enter setting mode. Please press 6, then confirm. Now let's have a check if the admin password is restored. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 叮当当, you can lock. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. Lock. Yes. This is the way to clear all the data you set to restore the factory original setting, EX factory setting. That's all, thank you.